This curve on the roofline needs smoothing.
I see it, adjusting now.
Good. Check the wheelbase.
Looks better.
Let's review the torque distribution. Agreed. The front to rear balance looks good. Let's increase the rear bias for stability. Initiating full body diagnostic scan. Scan complete, no anomalies detected. Okay, try this connection. Looks good. Checking voltage. Secure it. Done. Powering on. Final checks complete. How's the screen? Dashboard is synced. All systems green. Steering is responsive. We're good to go. Alignment is spot on. Confirmed. Exterior is flawless. Interior systems are operational. Final checks complete. Performance metrics are spiking here. Let's calibrate. Confirmed. Adjusting parameters now.